And before they executed, they were arrested by officers from DC headquarters. They were in possession of 2 motor vehicles. Your Honor, I'm investigating a matter touching on a case of robbery with violence. And the brief of the case is that yesterday, the 25th March 2026, the 6 respondents were arrested at Kitengela Acacia, where, according to the intelligence that we had received prior, about a week ago, the 6 were planning, 1, to conduct robbery at the residence of the complainant, who is a senior military officer of the rank of Major General, at his residence in Kitengela. The 6th respondent approached the residence of the complainant. Approached the resident. They came to the residence of the complainant, and before they executed, they were arrested by officers from DC headquarters. They were in possession of 2 motor vehicles. The 2nd respondent is believed to be working at KDF, is an employee of KDF as a civilian, working as a mechanic. The 4th, the 5th, and the 6th are civilian. Your Honor, according to the intelligence, which has been gathered for a period of 1 week, the 6 are believed to have hired a firearm rifle, which, apart from robbery, they wanted to execute the complainant, Mr. George Okumu. So upon being arrested yesterday, they were escorted to DC headquarters, Operation Support Unit's office, and they were booked at Capitol Hill Police Station at 22:10 hours by the OB 55 of yesterday. Your Honor, we request this honorable court to give us 14 days.
They are requesting for 14 days to conclude investigations, so that you don't have to justify what you are doing at that point. For now, it's a matter of investigations. So maybe the question will be whether you have issues with the 14 days they have requested for investigations. Proceed from there. Second respondent. Third respondent.
Your Honor, I'm requesting this honorable court that it might find it due to allow me, because I don't have any reason towards interfering with the investigation. Right now I have a family that is fully dependent on me, and being in custody for the 14 days will hinder my family. That is my humble request before this honorable court, Your Honor.
Fourth respondent. Yes, sir. Proceed. Yes, proceed. You have issues with the 14 days they requested for investigations?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
So what is your issue? What are you are saying? What are you saying? Speak so that you can hear you. You need to speak up your mind. What are you saying? In response to that application. Wameomba siku 14 wamalize uchunguzi. Uko na shida na hiyo ombi kutoka upande wa master? Fifth respondent.
Your Honor.
Yeah, for the fifth respondent.
Yes,
Proceed, counsel.
Your Honor, when I first received this application today in the morning, maybe 30 minutes ago, I realized there's a lot of code attached right behind it. I wondered why there's a lot of code attached and that is blank. Then I realized that maybe what we are doing here. But then I asked myself, Your Honor, why do they have to bring this matter before you, even if they think that this is just ticking of boxes? And then I realized that this is a court of justice, a court of law. Now, while my submissions might be futile, Your Honor, I want to sympathize with the unrepresented accused people because they have just been given this notice of motion application 40 minutes ago, and they have to come up with substantive reasons as to why you should not. They should not be detained. You know, these are laymen. They do not understand head or tail of what is going on here. And so maybe that's why the order of court is also attached. You know, I don't know whether that's justice. To give somebody who is not a trained advocate or a lawyer 40 minutes to come up with a substantive argument. Maybe that's something